And I'm one of the initiators of this organization of volunteers named Protasy, which means proposal for another lifestyle. We started working in drug prevention or addictive substances prevention, but we also have expanded to many other fields which have to do with the difficulties that young people face nowadays. Some years ago it was drugs, nowadays it is internet. There are so many things that we have to take care. In this organization, I'm responsible of a youth center. So we started in 1988, many years ago, and we created quite soon. We created this youth center, which is for students from 4 years old to 17, and they belong to leisure time groups. So they come in the afternoons and they work in group work. These groups are aiming to make them feel self-confident, to make them, find out about themselves, and also to accept diversity, because this is the situation nowadays. We need to make young people understand that accepting diversity is something that they have to live with for all their life. Things have changed a lot in Europe and of course in my country, and a lot of refugees are coming now, but this is not the topic. I mean, it's not only for the refugees, it is mainly for accepting the differences people have and living together with them in a peaceful way and a productive way, but not so much with conflicts and exclusions. For me, because we never had the chance to apply productive learning in its setting in a school, as a project or in a school, mainly what attracts me mostly is the philosophy behind PL, why PL, what is PL, for whom it is PL, and also the methodology. The methodology can vary from country to country according to, this is also a very nice and special thing, that it's quite flexible. If you stick on the philosophy, you can use whatever methodology you want, but the experience of people and the city school in New York that started PL gives some directions and can help you in developing PL in your country. So, as I said before, the philosophy of PL, which means that I learn how to love knowledge, and I adapt this knowledge to my needs, and I use this knowledge for the benefit of my life. So this is the main thing. While in the regular schools, you don't really have these aims. They aim to educate you, to make you learn, which is very good, but this is all, nothing more, about the individual situation of each student. So for me, individual learning is one of the most important things that a PL offers. And also the methodology, meaning that you stay in school 3 days, you stay in school 2 days, you go to resource places for 3 days. This is very important because you have the experience. And I am a person like this. I mean, I like to learn by doing, not so much by learning, by reading or studying, but I do it after I get the challenge to discover something new. So this is what is important for me about productive learning.